Decide whether each of the following sentences is correct or contains issues with unclear reference or pronouns. Pause the video now, read the sentences, and decide if they are correct or incorrect because of any unclear reference or unclear pronoun. Okay, so the first sentence says, at the end of class, the teacher gave the student her notes on MLA format. This one is actually incorrect. We can see that from the sample here that I have for you. Here's a very similar one. And what you need to understand when you're trying to decide if a pronoun is unclear or in the wrong place is to look at the antecedents. The antecedents, as you can see, are just nouns. They're the nouns the pronoun should be referencing or talking about. So here we have the teacher gave the student her notes, but we don't know if those were the teacher's notes or the student's notes. Here's another example. After Ben took the radio out of the car, he sold it. Did he sell the car or did he sell the radio? You can also have incorrect pronouns when they or it or you are in confusing positions so that it's not clear what they are referencing. And the same is true with this, that, and which. And you can pause the video and read through these details if you like. But let's head back to our practice test. So we looked at why the first one was incorrect. The second one is also incorrect, has an unclear reference. Because she finished her essay before the deadline, Sarah wanted to read it aloud to catch any unintentional errors before submitting it, but she didn't. So in this case, we don't know if she didn't submit the essay or if she didn't reread the essay to find unintentional errors in the essay. So both of those are incorrect.